These are places you could walk past every day and never know what they really look like until you see them from the sky. From the trail, this is just a small waterfall. From above, it looks like nature carved its own staircase. From ground level, this looks like a flat plateau. Until the ground suddenly drops away. Depth here drops around 60 meters, enough to hide a river you can't hear from the top. These layers are ancient sediment, sandstone and siltstone, stacked over millions of years. Some bands date back over 200 million years, recorded in lines you only see from above. Sometimes the landscape hides its boldest lines in plain sight. These patterns are almost invisible from the ground, but from a drone they look like a coded message from the Earth itself. One last secret, hidden in plain blue. From the water, you'd never know there's a beach here at all. Some places only reveal themselves when you change your angle. Which discovery surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments and subscribe for more drone discoveries in 4K.